Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure power and a clean connection are ready. Charge both Airpods and the case above 50% and close the lid for 30 seconds to stabilize. Once done, on your iPhone or Target device, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and forget any existing Airpods pairing so old profiles don't interfere. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Then open the case next to the device and press, and hold the Setup button until the status light flashes white. This puts the pods in pairing mode and starts discovery. Now you move through the actual pairing sequence with patient checks. When the white light flashes, look for the Airpods pop up on iOS or find them listed under Bluetooth on Android, Mac OS, or Windows. If nothing appears, toggle Bluetooth off and on, wait 10 seconds, then rescan. This clears transient stack issues. Make sure the case remains open and the pods are inside. If you still can't pair, reset network settings on the device as a measured last step before deeper troubleshooting. To finish, select the Airpods in your device's Bluetooth menu and confirm the audio route. Play a short clip to test left and right channels and volume. Make sure your phone or computer is running the latest OS, since firmware updates for Airpods install only when connected to an up-to-date Apple device. If pairing is rejected, perform a full Airpods reset by holding the case button until amber then white, restart your device, and immediately retry pairing. This cleans corrupted handshakes that cause rejections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.